Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Under Desk Treadmill is probably one of the most innovative fitness gadgets to hit the market in recent years, allowing you to stay active while you work. Whether you're a remote worker, a student, or someone who simply wants to incorporate more movement into their day, this treadmill could be a game changer. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Under Desk Treadmills, exploring their features, benefits, and helping you decide if one is right for you. Number 5. Goplus 2-in-1 Superfit Folding Treadmill. This innovative treadmill offers two modes to suit your workout needs. When folded, it's perfect for a leisurely walk. When the handrail is up, it becomes a running machine. The 2.25 HP motor ensures a smooth and quiet experience, ideal for home or office use. Its sturdy design absorbs shock and reduces noise, making your workout more comfortable. The non-slip running belt provides ample space for your stride. The LED display keeps you informed, showing time, speed, distance, and calories burned, so you can track your progress. Connect to Bluetooth to enjoy music while you exercise. A phone holder lets you watch videos, and the remote control offers convenient speed adjustments. You can also use the smart app to record your exercise data. This treadmill is designed for convenience. It's compact, foldable, and has built-in wheels for easy movement and storage. Plus, it arrives ready to use, with no installation required. What we like? This treadmill's 2-in-1 design is a game changer, allowing you to switch between walking and running modes effortlessly. It also features a powerful yet quiet motor, perfect for home or office use. If you are looking for a versatile treadmill that adapts to your needs, this is the one for you. What people say? It seems to be well made. It is quiet. I break my sweat and get my 6 miles a day in. Number 4. GYMAX 2.25 HP Dual Display Foldable Treadmill. This walking pad features two LED screens, one on the handrail and one in front. They provide real-time data feedback, helping you monitor your progress and stay in control during your workout. The treadmill is mostly pre-assembled, making setup quick and easy. You can effortlessly fold or unfold the handrail with a simple lever, and the handles are easy to install. It offers two exercise modes, walking and running. The 2.25 HP motor ensures a smooth and quiet workout, so you won't disturb anyone. You can switch the speed unit between mile and km in the app. Made of high-quality alloy steel and ABS, this treadmill is sturdy and durable, supporting up to 265 pounds. The 5-layer shock-absorbing running belt protects your joints and muscles. With its compact folding size, this walking pad is easy to store under a bed or sofa. It's perfect for small spaces like apartments and condos, and the built-in wheels make it easy to move. What we like? With its unique dual display, this treadmill provides real-time data feedback, helping you stay on track. It's also incredibly easy to assemble and fold, making it ideal for small spaces. If you have limited space and need a treadmill that's easy to store, this is a great choice. What people say? The treadmill is easy to set up and use. It's quiet and fits perfectly under my desk. The remote control is very convenient. Number 3. Hccsport 3-in-1 Under Desk Treadmill. This Hccsport treadmill is incredibly versatile. It combines a desk treadmill, folding treadmill, and portable treadmill all in one. It's perfect for seamlessly blending work and workouts. With a powerful 3.5 HP motor, this treadmill is built for home and office use. It supports up to 300 pounds and reaches speeds up to 8 miles per hour. Plus, it's pre-lubricated for immediate use and extended lifespan. Take your workouts to the next level with adjustable incline settings. You can tailor your exercise to your desired intensity. It also features 6 shock absorbers for a smooth, comfortable run, minimizing impact. Designed for small spaces, this treadmill is both compact and lightweight. Weighing only 38 kilograms, it's easy to store in apartments or dorm rooms. The running belt provides ample space for walking or running. This foldable and portable treadmill is easy to store and move around. Built-in wheels make it effortless to relocate. It's perfect for maximizing your workout space and switching between work and exercise. Easily convert the treadmill into a walking desk with the removable tray. The adjustable height supports ergonomic posture, ideal for working while walking. It's a smart solution for staying active and productive. The treadmill includes 12 built-in HIIT programs that automatically adjust speed. These preset routines help you burn calories and improve stamina. Just press start and go. What we like. This treadmill offers a unique 3-in-1 functionality, combining a desk treadmill, folding treadmill, and portable treadmill. It also boasts a powerful motor and adjustable incline, allowing you to customize your workout. If you are looking for a treadmill that can seamlessly integrate into your work and fitness routine, consider this one. What people say. The treadmill is easy to set up and use. It's quiet and fits perfectly under my desk. The remote control is very convenient. Number 2. Hifast 3-in-1 Foldable Walking Pad Treadmill. This treadmill is designed for small spaces. It folds up easily and can be stored under a bed or sofa. It's ready to use in seconds, making it perfect for apartments and home offices. The treadmill features a powerful 2.5 HP motor and offers 3 modes: walking, jogging, and running. You can easily switch between modes to customize your workout. It also has an incline handlebar. Enjoy your workout without disturbing others. The WhisperTech motor ensures quiet operation, making it suitable for apartment use. The triple-layer isolation reduces floor vibration. Control the treadmill with buttons, apps, or the magnetic remote. The real-time LED display shows your progress. It also connects to apps for virtual trails. This treadmill is built to last with a reinforced steel frame and can support up to 300 pounds. It also features a 3-layer shock absorption system for joint protection. Safety is ensured with a safety key and non-slip rails. What we like. This treadmill features a space-saving foldable design that fits under beds or sofas, perfect for apartments. It also has a whisper quiet motor, ensuring you won't disturb others. If you are living in a small apartment and need a quiet treadmill, this is a great option. What people say. Doesn't take up too much space and is easy to store away. Quiet and easy setup. It works great for me, but I'm not jogging on it or running. I used it for about 15 to 20 at most in the morning and evening, but usually once a day, 4 times a week. My take is, if you're going to run on this model and put mileage on it, you might consider something a little heavier duty. It's a quality product, however, and I think it will help up well for moderate use. Number 1. Goplus 2-in-1 Folding Superfit Treadmill. This innovative treadmill offers 2 modes to fit your needs. When the handrail is up, it functions as a standard treadmill. When folded, it becomes a space-saving under-desk walking machine. Featuring a 2.25 HP motor, this treadmill operates quietly, making it perfect for home or office use. The multi-layer design absorbs shock and reduces noise, ensuring a comfortable workout. The non-slip running belt provides a safe and comfortable experience. The LED display clearly shows your time, speed, distance, and calories, so you can easily track your progress. Connect the treadmill to your phone via Bluetooth to play music. The remote control allows you to easily adjust the speed. It also includes a phone holder and a safety key for emergencies. This treadmill is designed for convenience with its compact, foldable design and built-in wheels. It requires no installation and is ready to use right out of the box. What we like. This treadmill's 2-in-1 design is a game changer, allowing you to switch between walking and running modes effortlessly. It also features a powerful yet quiet motor, perfect for home or office use. If you are looking for a versatile treadmill that adapts to your needs, this is the one for you. What people say. It was easy to assemble setup. Doesn't take up a lot of space and so far seems to be a good width and length. It is easy to use and very quiet and compact. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.